been asked how we move the car around. Let me move this out of the way and I'll demonstrate. Any railroad crossing, I can use it to set the car on and off the track. Just pick it up like that.
Don't go hurting yourself.
The front axle is independent, it's split, so the wheels rotate independently. So you can just swing it around and set it off and on the track.
This is just used to transport a couple of people?
It's a two-man inspection car.
Oh, inspection.
It was owned by Southern Railway, and they phased out these cars back in the late 80s. Now they use pickup trucks with retractable railroad wheels. So these cars were all going to scrap, and people like me said, wait a minute, we want to buy one of those. So they had an auction in Charlotte, North Carolina, and auctioned all their
How fast would you be able to travel?
I've been 30 miles an hour before on this car. Once I get above 20, I start getting scared.
Yeah. That's pretty fast.
Okay, please. Thank you so much.
Go around and count. See what you get.
Oh yeah, please do. All right.
Entrances and exits. I got 3 people doing it now. They're all 3 going to have a different number, and they're all 3 going to be wrong. And if the 2 of you count them around here, don't count them. Don't give him. Let him know what you're counting, because you'll get it right wrong. But only 1% of people know they get the right number. So try it. Okay, now.